Case 411. 2 hydraulic cylinders up top leak, but the bucket doesn't go down. The loader arms don't go down, but these two cylinders leak here. Brand new forks. Brand new. Just kidding. Old forks, but just put on this tractor. See how they work. We're about to see if they work. Just welded on there and pinned. Put in some grease certs though. Put in some grease certs on the cylinders. Oh no. And some bolts through the back of here. Welded on. See how she works. I haven't got the hood on it. I haven't got the cover on it. Nothing. Just drove it. Oh, look at those tires. Just drove it 4.5 miles from town on those tires. They held. Got a little like hydraulic fluid leak there. I got a little hydraulic fluid leak everywhere. The coffee cup made it. So we're gonna go see if it'll pick up a load. Okay, first time. Who gives a shit if it'll pick up a little log, right? Might as well pick the biggest one you got. This is pretty close to the biggest one I got. Big old maple. My back tires are still on the ground. Ain't that fancy? Those front cylinders are leaking bad though, huh? And I'm rolling. There's all the way back, and obviously not all the way up, but that's as high as I need to get it. Nice. Nice, nice. And we put a step. Nice. That's a pretty big log. The other end's even bigger. Those hydraulics, those cylinders are leaking pretty bad. Have to get back up there pretty quick. Nice. It's squished the tires, but that ain't flat.